go fishing.
So we're going to cook some aquaponic fish today. The fish of choice is tilapia, and we're going to do a mild fry on the fish, and we're going to see how they prepare it with all the spices and the ingredients that go into the different steps. Alright? So here's Bala. He's a two-in-one sort of guy. He's the chef come farm manager come everything that we've got. The best of the stock. So he's going to walk you through the fish and I'll give you the voiceover. So obviously he's de-gutted the fish and he's cleaned out the head and the tail and cleaned out the fins as well. He's giving it a little cut so he can get the spices in. He's lining them up so he can give them a little marinade. He has a commercial powder that comes off the shelf. It's a Fish Masala. As you can see, he's got 3 portions of fish and 4 spoons of masala and some turmeric. Obviously it's a very Indian thing. Got some turmeric powder. Half a spoon of turmeric powder goes into that whole mix. Black pepper powder. So peppercorn. Just a tad bit. To give you the spice but not the heat. And then salt of course. Can never cook without salt, I guess. A generous portion of salt. Considering this is a freshwater fish, I guess you'd cook it differently from a saltwater fish because it inherently has no salt content. A little bit of water to get that into a paste consistency. As you can see, he's probably got a half cup in there. Just enough to get it into a consistency where you can wrap it on the fish. You want to consistently mix it in with all the ingredients, and you want the salt to be evenly placed in there, I'm guessing. Alright, it's the first piece of fish. See, lines it up into the cuts that he placed in earlier. Gives it a nice massage, I guess.
And this can only work with aquaponically grown fish.
Yes. We seldom have the tank right by the kitchen, and the tank's about 10 meters away from the kitchen.
So you can't get fresher than this?
You can't get fresher than this. The last piece is always the best piece because it gets all of the leftover masala. So now that the marinade's ready, we're going to leave it there for about 5 minutes before we get it back of the oven. So it soaks up all of the spices and the flavors. So we'll catch you in a bit. So now we're going to get down to the cooking, the real nitty-gritties of it. We're going to add some oil into the pan, just as we said, set it up on flame and get the heat moving a little. Nice and evenly, since those fish are sort of odd sizes. You'll wait for 2 minutes till the oil starts crackling up before we put the fish in. Look at that lovely marinated fish. Reducing the flame so as to stop the oil from sort of springing everywhere on the kitchen. Try to keep it intact and make sure the fish doesn't get burnt on the outside and not undercooked on the inside. You can still see the gills on that fish. The only way that's ever going to happen is if you just pick the fish for yourself. And the fish has been grown in a perfect environment. Those red gills just say just that. Aquaponics does it for you. So it's about that time now when we flip it over. I think once one of the sides is turned out pretty well, golden brown. There you go. Wrap the ladle around. Try not to splash that oil around too much. It is pretty hot. You can see it's turned out a nice yellow, brownish, golden color. You don't want to burn it up too much.
You want
some if you can serve you by your hand?
That's okay by me. Wow, look at that. got to
Do the taste test.
aquaponics fish. Fresh caught just now. Cooked Indian style. Yep.